Hi guys, today we're going to be drawing a character from the game that I played on my first video, Project Playtime, and the character name is Boxy Boo. So what we're first going to do is that we want to make a straight line going down and make sure it goes diagonal. Then we got to make it go up. And then we have to do it again, but going up, but going up. Okay, so we just finished making the box. Now we need to make the handle. I'll only show you how to draw it. I'm not going to do any coloring. So we got to make the iconic shapes, and I first made the circle. And now we need to make the star. Okay, so we finished making the box and the handle. Now we need to make the lid. We first need to do a diagonal line and make sure it stops at the middle point. And then we need to make sure it does a straight line, and then make it a tiny bit up, and then make it straight, and then put a line down, and then do it just as you did before. And then the last part is that we need to make his face. We first got to make the little bump, and then we need to make two little dots, circles for his eyes. And then we got to make sure that the eyes are like looking. Okay, so now what we got to do is that we got to make the shadow part of his face, since he's hiding in the box on the lid. And guys, make sure to like, subscribe, because the first video, I did my best. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment saying did you like the video from before. Okay, so we're almost done. And also, I'm leaving the coloring to you. You can draw them any way you want. This is going to be a new Boxy Boo if you want to. So there we go. We just made a fresh Boxy Boo. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you again.